Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Today, our group will be presenting about the material is augmented reality (AR) in language education. So before we start the presentation, we our group to introduce our group. In the first, Made Sugiarto Adikusuma, the second Kumangaswarane, and last Kadek Sinta Mirayanti. Okay, let's start to the material present by Besuke.
Learning objective. Understand and meaning and function of augmented reality. Explore how our AR can create immersive language learning experiences. Discuss, discuss real-life application of ER in EFL, English as a foreign language classroom. Evaluate how AR affects student motivation. What is augmented reality AR? Augmented reality AR is technology that overlays digital content such as image, sound, or 3D object on top of the physical world in real time through devices like smartphones, tablet, or specialized AR glasses. In simple terms, AR enhances our perception of reality by adding virtual elements that, that are interactive and can respond to the user action. This makes the learning experience more dynamic, interactive, and immersive. Example, imagine you hold up your smartphone in front of a flashcard of the word Apple. Suddenly a 3D apple appears on your screen and a voice pronounces the word apple in English. You can rotate the apple, interact with it, and even hear how it pronounces it. This combination of visual, auditory, and tactile experiences help reinforce vocabulary and language comprehension. Benefit of AR language learning. Interactive learning with AR students don't just listen to or read about language, they interact with it. This makes learning more engaging and memorable. Example, using AR flashcard, students can interact with 3D objects, making vocabulary lessons more concrete and fun. 2. Real-life simulation. AR allows students to practice real-world scenarios in a safe, controlled environment. They can simulate situations they might face in daily life, like ordering food, navigating public transportation, or making small talk a social events. Example, an AR application can simulate a restaurant environment where students practice ordering food in English, thus bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical use. 3. Increase motivation. Traditional method of learning in language can feel repetitive and tedious. AR adds an element of fun. which motivate students to actively participate and stay engaged in lesson. Example, an ER treasure hunt game where students must find and identify object or solve language-based puzzle keep them engaged while learning. Okay, next, Sinta will be explain to you about the next material. Okay, Sinta, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Brisugi. Okay, the next is practical application in AR classroom. For the first is AR flashcard. Card that come to life with image and sounds. The example is a flashcard of dog saw a 3D dog with a sound. And number two is a virtual role play that is practice speaking to ER characters. For the example, talk to the filter waiter in a restaurant. And for the third is object interaction. View and explore virtual object for vocabulary practice that, for example, is describe a virtual animal or object in English. And the last is AR language games. Language quiz or games using AR to enhance engagement. Example is answer vocabulary question in AR treasure hunt. Okay, a tool for language learning. That's only AR. What it is? Language learning app that use art to create in a virtual teacher in your room. The virtual teacher guides the student through a lesson, pronunciation practice, and conversational dialogues. For the benefit is provide real-time pronunciation and conversation practice, offering immediate or feedback. And next is Quiver, that is what it is, an app that turns through 2D drawings into interactive 3D models. Students can color and interact with their own creation with learning vocabulary. And for the benefit of Quiver is encourage creative learning by allowing students to engage with art and language at the same time. Okay, for the simulation example, imagine this classroom activity that role play scenario. A virtual waiter appears of the student, a screen with a greeting like, "Hello, what would you like to order today?" And the student practiced by responding. That student was respond, "I would like a cheeseburger and oranges, please." This kind of activity reinforces vocabulary, sentence structure, and social interaction in an authentic setting. The student learn how to speak naturally and everyday situation. For the next. Okay, for challenge solution like limited access to technology, use affordable or free AR apps that work on student smartphone, create opportunities for shared device use. And number two is time constraint. Use AR as an additional or supplementary activity during free time or homework. Then number three is teacher log up AR experience. Provide professional development and training to teachers on how to use AR tools effectively. Okay, for the next, we'll explain by my friend that Komang Suwardani.
Okay, and the conclusion, augmented reality (AR) is a transformative technology that can change language learning by providing immersive, interactive, and engaging experience. AR enables students to practice language skills, such as speaking, listening, and vocabulary building in a more meaningful and hands-on way. With real-world simulation and interactive games, ER not only helps students learn faster but also makes the process more enjoyable. Teachers can use ER to create environments where students practice language naturally without the pressure of formal classroom setting. Okay, that's all presentation. Thank you.